Assalamu alaikum, and I welcome you all in 5 Minutes Information Channel episode number 25. And today I will bring information about the one of the most popular scholarly information source, which is known as a Google Scholar. And in this episode we will describe about the characteristics. If you search in any article in Google Scholar, what is the advantage if you search any article in Google Scholar search engine. Google Scholar is the largest search engine in the academic scholarly world. Google Scholar has provided an indexed all the research items including research journal, article, conference paper, poster presentation, thesis, dissertation, patent, and etc. Google Scholar also cover all the discipline of knowledge like social sciences, natural sciences, computer sciences, business management, law, health sciences, and all the allied field and subject of the knowledge. On address bar, we can just writing the scholar.google.com. The Google Scholar screen will be appear here, and here we can see that in search box we can write the artificial intelligence application in libraries. Artificial intelligence application in libraries, 616,000 term on Google Scholar. Now we will describe each quality one by one. First we click the save. Just click here. The concerned article will be saved on your library, and you can view in your library how these articles are being exist. Just click in my library, that you can see that the article number 1, common KDS library for expertise modeling reusable problem solving component, will directly come on your library. The main advantage, if you save any article or item, you can read this article later on whenever, whatever you find the time. Number 2 characteristics, the citation. If you click here, double quotation or cite, then article will be automatically displayed 5 citation style. Number 1 MLA, number 2 APA, number 3 Chicago, number 4 Howard, and number 5 is Vancouver. The main advantage is that you can import these citations on your EndNote file. You can import in web text format these files as well as EndNote, RefMan, and RefWorks. I'm just clicking here for the EndNote file. I have just clicking, then the citation will be exported in EndNote format, and you can import this file on your EndNote library. Similarly, you can do on the BibTeX, RefMan, and RefWorks. And another way, you can also just copy this APA style and paste it on your Word file manually. Here is, you can copy and paste any of article as per your respective format. Number 3 is Google Scholar also describe about the characteristics of the citation or the popularity of the citation. In this case, the article number 1 is cited by 638 times. Article number 2, artificial intelligence principle and application, is cited by the 55 times. Article number 3 is cited by the 659. If you click the cited by, then all the cited articles are being displayed, and you can read one by one. So all the 638 articles which is cited by the article common KDS library is displayed on your search window. And the 4th characteristics is the related article. If you click on the related article, then all the related article will be displayed. I am just clicking here for the article number 1. So all the related articles, 101 related articles found by the Google Scholar for the article number 1 case. Google Scholar also describes for the each search item available online version. I have just clicked article number 2 and click here. I have seen all the 4 versions are being displayed. Number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. One of the unique characteristics Google Scholar is also indicated if any article, link of article, if the full text is available as per the copyright law. If in this case, you can see that the article number 1 link is not available, article number 2 and 3 link is not available. But article number 4, the PDF link is available. Similarly, article number 5, detective composition is full text link is also. I have just clicked the article number 5 PDF link. So the full text is available for the user and user can read the full text of the respective.
I hope researcher, faculty member, students and new learner will enjoy this video, and please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment my videos. Stay tuned with the 5 minutes information channel. In next episode we will discuss about the characteristics of the Google Scholar profiling system. Thank you very much.